T-Mobile error code 40 signifies an issue with your account permissions or login. It means the system detected a problem validating your credentials, like a mismatched password, expired session, or suspicious activity such as VPN usage or unusual IP address. This error is a security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access, especially after the data breaches in 2023-2024. Enhanced security features and multi-factor authentication are now tightly linked to preventing this error. If you see this error, it's crucial to address it promptly to regain access to your T-Mobile account and services. Verify account details, reset passwords, or contact support at 1-800-937-8997 for assistance. Start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or LTE. Update the My T-Mobile app to the latest version, such as V8.5 released in September 2025. Clear the app's cache and data to remove any corrupted files. Try logging in from an incognito browser or a different device. Reset your password via the Forgot Password link on T-Mobile's website. If these steps fail, contact T-Mobile support at 1-800-937-8997. If still unresolved, escalate to Fraud Protection Team for account unlock within 24 to 48 hours. Advanced users can temporarily disable VPNs to avoid triggering security flags. Keep contact information updated, especially after SIM card swaps or device upgrades, to avoid account lockouts.